Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can play with your friends in Heartopia. So make sure you've added them, go to tab and go to the friendship journal. And to add your friend, you're going to click on the search bar and you're going to enter their ID. Then to join their town, as you can see, there is a town section here. To play together, select visit and press confirm. And that is basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.